Hi, and welcome to the HERME tutorial for the white logo. Hit use template to bring this into your own Canva account. And once you're here, it's time to apply all the changes that you've made to your primary color logo to the white version. So if you haven't already, please start with the HERME color logo tutorial, and you'll find that in the HERME resource section. This is just to outline the process of how you would edit this, the white version, to make it your own, and a few things to keep in mind when you are saving your file. So once you've finished perfecting your HERME logo in the color version, you head over to File and then make a copy, and that will create a copy of your entire file, your entire logo asset. So all of this, and then you're going to want to head in there and start changing up all the things that you've changed. Then once you've made a copy, you head in there and you just make everything white, and apply a background. This is optional, but the reason why we've applied this background is because without it, you can't see your logo. So it's always helpful to keep a background behind your white version, but never ever download your white version with this brown background. So when you're ready to download, when everything looks great, you delete the background, you head over to download, and you download it as a PNG file. When you download it as a PNG file, the background will be transparent, so you will no longer be able to see this white, and your designer, whoever you're sending it to, will have a nice transparent background with your logo. But when you're designing, hard to see, so we just keep that background in here while we're designing, and then make sure to delete it when you are ready to download. So why do you even need a white logo? A white logo is great for exactly what you're looking at here. There's a dark background and the white really pops against it. So sometimes when you've created a color logo and it's a light color or dark color, it doesn't work when you bring in a photo for Instagram, for example, and the photo is very dark. So I'm just going to show you an example of that. Let me just put dark room. And I'm going to use this one here. Okay. So as you can see, this logo pops because the background is dark. But if you have created your color logo with this brown, it is really hard to see. It doesn't pop as much as the white. So with this particular example, it's not that bad. But if you, for example, didn't use the color palette that was suggested and you're using a black, for example, then you really can't see it, and this is a perfect example of when you need a white logo. Other examples would be when you're sponsoring an event and the t-shirts are black and they ask you for a white logo because they're not printing in color, or anything, print marketing or anything like that. When they say we need your logo in white, it's just great to have it in your bag of assets so that you don't have to scramble to get it done when the time comes. It's always beneficial to have a white version of your logo. There are so many instances when you just think, oh, this isn't working in color, I need it in white. So that's the perfect example of why you would create your white logo. So again, if you haven't already, you're going to learn how to make this logo your own with the HERME color walkthrough. Otherwise, if you have any other problems or you need any more help, you can head over to 4thstreetcreative.com/tutorials, and we have a large resource library there. Happy designing!